Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and deliver checkmate in just 2 moves. Basically it's mate in 2 and you have to find checkmate in just 2 moves. Any checkmate more than 2 moves considered as not solving the problem. So as always, go ahead, pause the video and cast a move. Best of luck. Okay, the first and the most obvious move is to play rook takes g7, check. So if the king moved to f8, it would be just a checkmate like queen to e7, but the king would just move to h8 and this is checkmate in 3, right? So this is checkmate in 3, not in 2. So this is not taking the rook with the rook is not the solution, and the king can't play this direction, or the queen is now the problem, right? So the king can't go out and deliver a checkmate, and the rook is blocked, so the king would just escape to h7. Some of you may just thought this move would be the best, but now the king wouldn't play a king to f8 because this is going to be checkmate, but in this position the king would just escape to the h file, right? So we have to make another move to deliver checkmate, and this is obviously not the solution of the puzzle, right? So with this in mind, this is not the solution and this is not the solutions. These two moves are not the solutions. So the correct move is to play queen to g1. So the idea is we are threatening checkmate on g7, right? We are threatening checkmate on g7 with a queen. So in this position, the king can't play just a move like this. We are going to just checkmate, right? So the king can't play to the h file, and the king can't play to the f file either because of the discover checkmate by the king, by the white king. So the last remaining variation is what if the rook takes the queen? Well, again we are going to play king to a7 and deliver the checkmate. So this is the solution. So guys, this is the solution of the puzzle. If you found this entertaining, make sure to like the video and I'll see you next time. Bye.